Marvel CI and Bluetooth, universal Bluetooth connectivity. Troubleshooting connectivity. To make sure that your Bluetooth connection is strong, be sure that Bluetooth is turned on in the device that you wish to stream from. Be sure that the Marvel CI batteries are charged. Keep your Bluetooth device within range. Most Bluetooth devices have a maximum connectivity range of 30 feet or 10 meters. This distance is reduced when obstacles, such as a wall, are present. Make sure you have no other devices connected to your phone, such as the car Bluetooth system or 2 other Bluetooth devices paired and in range. The LED on the Marvel device should be blinking blue while streaming, indicating that it is actively receiving audio. If you're also using the AB Remote mobile app, it's important to note that you must pair to your phone via Bluetooth before you set up the AB Remote mobile app. If you've already paired to the AB Remote mobile app and are having difficulty connecting, delete the app, then go into the phone settings. Delete the pairing to the phone. This should have the letters LE next to the name. Then, pair your Marvel devices to the phone via Bluetooth. Make sure that you have successfully paired by streaming a phone call or audio. Then download and repair to the AB Remote mobile app again. Marvel CI. Connect with the moments you love.